How to use Airalo on iPhone. Hey everyone, today I show you how to set up and use Airalo on your iPhone for affordable eSIM data. So let's get started. So download the Airalo app first. Download it from the App Store and open it. So if you're new, quickly create an account. It's free and very easy to do. In the app, search for the country you're traveling to or choose a global plan. Airalo offers different data packages to fit your needs. Select your preferred plan and complete the purchase. So once bought, Airalo will guide you through the steps to install the eSIM directly on your iPhone. Now, go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan, and a pop-up with the eSIM details will appear. Confirm and add it. You'll be prompted to label the new line, so you can label it for data-only use if you have an existing number. After that, enable it in cellular settings. For international usage, go to Settings, Cellular, select the Airalo eSIM and enable data roaming. When you reach your destination, switch to the Airalo eSIM as your data plan to start using the data immediately. And that's it. You're ready to use Airalo on your iPhone. Perfect for staying connected abroad. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tech tips.